What's up guys, welcome to a new tutorial by Project GoPro. We've all gone through the frustration of having ISO, noisy images and footage, all sorts of things that would eventually make our content a little bit less usable, let's say. So today I want to show you guys how to use the noise reduction tool in Lightroom. This will fix some grain and remove unwanted artifacts produced by low light and high ISO settings. Ready? Let's roll. So first things first, we're gonna get our noisy photo and import it into Lightroom. Click the import button and move on to develop. Oh, that's a lot of noise. That's what happens when we put ISO and we shoot in low light. That's what happens. So let's try and get the tool to remove this horrible thing. That's it, noise reduction tool. So we go here, get this bar and drag it all the way to the right. Not all the way, but around this 80. Let's see. So I can see there is less noise now compared to the beginning, for sure. So I guess we have to find a balance between details, because we cannot have too much details, otherwise we see the noise coming up again. So we want a little bit less details, a good balance between details and noise. And I think this is it. So if we view the photo again, it's less detailed, but it has less noise. And in this kind of photo, it looks better in this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. That was a quick one. You can find many more tutorials on our website projectgo.pro, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace.